Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to allow or disallow in-app purchases on your Mac. This is a great way to manage spending, especially if you share your Mac with family members or kids. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Screen Time option from the sidebar. If the screen time isn't already enabled, make sure to enable it. And then you have to choose Content and Privacy option. And if prompted, make sure to enter your screen time password or create one to proceed. Then you have to select Store Restrictions option. After that, turn off the toggle right next to Allow in-app purchases. In the end, make sure to click on the Done button to confirm the action, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily block in-app purchases on your Mac. Later, if you ever want to revert this action, simply return to this very Store Restriction setting and then make the desired change, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.